Very good morning, students. Last class we have explained exercise self practice 6e, that is based on the formula a square minus b square. Now I want to explain next hour's exercise, that is self practice 6f. In that we have to factorize these types of questions. So these are the not based on the direct formula. There are no any formula. In this we have to use some method. So which types of method we have to use, just I will explain through this video, okay, and through the documents also. First of all, if you will go through this video, then you can understand very carefully, very easily, and you can do rest of the question. So this one, y square plus 4y plus 3, how will factorize this? In this case, just you see the last term, last constant term, this one is 3, okay, and middle term. So this method we have to use splitting middle term. In this question we have to use splitting middle term. Method is called splitting middle term. Splitting middle term means we have to split up middle term in two parts. So this method is called splitting middle term. So this one is middle term. In this case, this one is 4. So what should we write in place of 4? Then multiplication should be in place of 4. We have to write either 1 plus 3 or 2 plus 2 like this, or 3 plus 1 like this. So here 2 2 ja 4 will come, 1 3 ja 3 will come, 3 1 ja 3 will come like this. Here multiplication should be 3 will come and addition should be 4. So we can use either this one and this one, these both. This will be known because here multiplication is coming 2 2 ja 4. Here we have to multiply 1 into 3, it will come 3. If you will multiply 1 into 3, it will come 3. And 2 into 2, it will come 4. And here 3 into 1, it will come 3. So here we have to factorize 4. This one in place of 4 we have to write down either 1 plus 3 or 3 plus 1. So just we will write down like this, bracket 1 plus 3 in place of 4, y plus 3 like this. Okay. Now just you multiply this y to this term and this term also, then it will come y square plus 1y plus 3y plus 3. Okay, if you will multiply, then it will multiply with both the term 1 and 3 also. Now we have to take common this both term and this both term. So if you will take common this one y square and y, then how much will come here common? Here y power 2 is there and here y power 1. So we will take common y, it will come, and this one is y plus 1. Now we have to take common 3 here. So we have to take common plus 3. Then it will come here y, and nothing it written means 1 it will come. Okay. Now finally just you see here, in both the term has same value y plus 1 and y plus 1. Then we have to take common y plus 1. Okay. So this one is y plus 1 into y plus 3. So this is the final answer, factorization. Okay. Like this we have to do next question also. Here question is given x square plus 12x plus 32. So how we do? Here in place of 32 we have to do x square plus 12x. So what should we write in place of 12? Then multiplication should be 32 and addition should be 12. So after adding it should come always 12 only, and after multiplication it will come equal to last term means 32. So what should we write in place of 12? Then multiplication will give 32 and addition 12 only. So just you see here, either maybe 1 plus 11 we can write like this. So but you have to multiply 1 plus 11, we will get 1 into 11, 11 will come. But it is not correct for this. So now we can do like this, 2 plus 10 also. So addition will be 12 only and multiplication will be 20. So it will also not beneficial. After then 3 plus 9 we can do like this. So 3 plus 9, 12 will come, and 3 into 9, 27 will come. But we want 32. So we can do like this, 4 plus 8. Just you see here 4 plus 8. it will come 12, and after multiplication it will come 32 only. So we can write here in place of 12 4 plus 8. Now we have to multiply here. So x square plus 4x plus 8x plus 32. Okay. So after doing a splitting, so this one is called a splitting middle term. Means we have to split up middle term in two terms. So 4 and 8, after splitting we have to multiply this variable to both the term, and then we have to take common both first two term and last two term one by one. So now we have to take common from this to this, it will come x common, okay, and here x will be there and plus 4. After then plus 8 guys, we have to take common 8 because this one is also will come in 8 table. So we have to take common 8 and x plus here 32 in 8 table 32 how many times will come? 4 ja. So here 4 will be here. Okay, now just you see here both are same. Now we have to take common x plus 4. So x plus 4 will take common, then it will be x plus 8. So final factorization is first factor is x plus 4, second factor is x plus 8. This is the final answer. Okay, now next question number 5. X square minus 15x plus 44. These types of question are given. So again we have to here minus sign is there and here plus sign. So no need to worry, just first of all you just to see here this one is 44 and here 15 is there. So what should we write in place of 15 in two terms? Then multiplication should be 44 and addition or either subtraction should be 15. So just you write down here, we can write like this 1 plus 14, but it will come after multiplication 14 will come. 2 plus 13 we can write, but after multiplication it will come to 26, but we want 44. Now we can write 3 plus 12 also, it will come 36, it will not come 44. Now we can write 4 plus 11. So this one is our beneficial, means 4 plus 11, we will multiply 4 into 11, it will get, you will get 44, and after addition we will get 15. So we can write here in place of 15, put here bracket 4 plus 11 into x plus 44. Okay. Now you multiply here x in both the term, then it will come x square minus 4x, and then if you will remove this bracket, then minus will go both the term. Okay, in both the term. So here minus 4x minus 11x plus 44. Okay, now we have to take common here, x we have to take common, so it will come x common, then here x minus 4 will be there, and now we have to take common here minus 11. Okay, so if you will take common minus 11, then here x will be there, and if you will take common minus, then here sign will be opposite. So plus sign is there, then we have to put here minus, and 11 table 44 4 times will come, so we have to write down here minus 4. So just to see this one, both are same, then we have to take again common x minus 4 in both the term. So we have to take common x minus 4, then it will be x minus 11. This is the final answer. Okay. Now our next question is, we have to solve question number 7. So how we have to solve question number 7? X square and plus x minus 30 is given here. X square plus x minus 30. So here nothing is written, means 1 is there. Okay, in place of coefficient of x is 1, and here minus 30. So now how should we make a splitting of 1? Then multiplication should become 30 and addition, either addition or subtraction should be 1. Okay, so here it is not chance to addition, sure here it will come subtraction only, in subtraction. So in place of 1 we can write either maybe 2 minus 1 we can write, but if we will multiply 2 into minus 1, it will not come 30, it will come minus 2. But what should we write in place of this? In place of 1. So we can write here 4 minus 3 also, it will come 1 only, but if multiplication 4 3 ja, 4 into minus 3 minus 12 will come, but we want minus 30. So we can write here 4 minus 5 also, sorry 5 minus 4 also. So but 5 4 ja 20 will come, but we want minus 30. Now 6 minus 5, now this one is favorable. So 6 minus 5 it will become 1 and 6 into minus 5 it will become minus 30. So we can put here in place of 1 6 minus 5. This one is favorable for our according to value. So x square in place of 1 we have to write down 6 minus 5 into x minus 30. So it is not necessary always will come in addition only. Sometimes it will come in subtraction also. So just be careful. Now we have to multiply again x square plus 6x minus 5x minus 30. Okay, now we have to take common in this whole value. So we have to take common x, then x will be there here plus 6, and then we have to take common minus 5 here. So x plus 6 will be there. I have taken minus sign both the values. So plus sign here, sign will be changed. Okay, here minus sign is go outside, then it will come plus. And in 5 table 30 will come 6 times, so it will come x plus 6. Now we have to take x plus 6 common. There remaining is x minus 5. This one is the final answer. Okay. Now next one is ninth part. In ninth part same types of question here is also given. But here minus, here plus sign is there, here minus sign is there, and here also minus sign, minus 56. So what should we place here? Here again 1 is there, nothing written means 1, coefficient of b is 1. We have to factorize. So what should we write in place of 1? So again it will come in subtraction only. So multiplication should become 56 and subtraction should become 1. So what should we write here? Either we can write here 2 minus 1 again, 3 minus 2 again, like this. So like this you can change directly, it will come 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7, sure. So 8 minus 7 it will come 1 and 8 into minus 7 it will come minus 56. So this is the correct according to our value. So b square minus, in place of 1 just you put 8 minus 7 into b minus 56. Now we have to multiply b in both the terms. Then we have to take common first two term and last two term. So b square now minus 8b. Just you see here minus sign is there, minus 8b. This minus will go inside. Then minus be plus 7b minus 56. Now we have to take this common. So b square will come common. Sorry, b only b will come common. B minus 8 will be there. And here from this we have to take common 7. So you have to remaining is b minus, in 7 table 56 will come 8 times. So here 8 will be there. Now we have b minus 8, we have to take common from whole the term, and then here b plus 7 is remaining. So this is the final factorization. Okay. First term is b minus 8, second term is b plus 7. Now last one, this one is 11. In 11th question here u square is given minus 7u plus minus 30 again. Again in both the place has minus sign. So no need to worry about this minus sign. Just you have to think about what should we write in place of 7 in two terms. Either maybe subtraction, either maybe addition. But in this case, sure it will come in subtraction only. So in place of 7, what should we write? Either we can write in 8 minus 1, or we can write 9 minus 2, or we can write 10 minus 3. In this case, just you see 8 minus 1, it will not come 30. In this also not come. In this case, sure it will come 30, minus 30. So favorable, this value is favorable for our factorization. So minus 7, in place of 7 we have to write out 10 minus 3 into u minus 30. Now we have to multiply u in both the term. Then again here minus sign is outside, then we have to change term sign here both the. So u square minus 10u minus plus 3u minus 30. Now we have to take common from this. So u will take common u minus 10 and then plus 3u minus 10. In place of 30 we have to write out 10 because you take 3 table, 30 will come 10 times. Now u minus 10 we have to take common. So u minus 10 and here remaining is u plus 3. So this is final factorization. First factor is u minus 10, second factor is u plus 3. So whatever remaining question is there, just you factorize yourself and Same types of method you have to use for all the remaining question. And some question I will do from by the documents also. Just go through that and then understand. If there is any confusion, you can ask me. Okay. Thank you.